The throttle trigger allows you to control your small engine's throttle setting. The trigger is made of plastic, and the throttle cable attaches to it. Over time, the trigger can fatigue and break. If something hits the trigger, that can also cause the trigger to break. Replacing the throttle trigger is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the handle. Now I have access to the throttle trigger and spring. I'll go ahead and remove them from the housing, being careful to not lose the spring. Now I can install the new throttle trigger. Now I can reinstall the throttle cable onto the trigger. I'll insert the trigger spring through the center of the trigger, long end first. And I'll install the trigger and spring over the post on the lower handle. And I'll finish by reinstalling the side cover. And now you know how to install a new throttle control trigger on your outdoor power equipment. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.